Hello traders, hello friends, welcome again to my channel. I'm Coach Jay and for today's video, market updates muna tayo. Alright, but before that, let's check sa Forex Factory kung merong high impact news. Okay? Remember, as trader, kailangan aware tayo sa mga significant risk event for the day. So today is August 29. Here are the significant events for the day. We have for Euro, German Prelim CPI, and mamaya 8:30 p.m. sa USD. So, very important itong data na to. Kaya for sure ay magkakaroon na naman ng volatility sa market later. Okay. So, let's start na tayo dito kay XAU USD. Okay, check muna natin ang daily. Bullish tayo overall. However, the current price action niya looks like ang price ay sideways. Okay? So, meaning, ang price ay magpipingpong lang in between dito sa resistance and support. So, short-term bearish tayo dahil nag-hold itong resistance na to. Okay? So, hanggang ang price ay below this resistance level, the sellers may push the price lower. Looking at the daily time frame, yesterday, no, bearish, engulfing ang na-print na price. Last test itong resistance. So, therefore, may possibility, again, may possibility lang na ang price ay i-retest niya ulit itong support level na ito saka siya tumaas. Okay? Alright, so looking at the H4 time frame, meron na tayong naspatan na double top or M pattern and currently ay tinetest niya itong neckline nitong double top formation na ito. Okay? Let's wait for the confirmation bago tayo mag-sell. Okay? So we have to monitor the price action dito sa area na to. Okay? Then let's move on to Euro USD. Looking at the daily time frame. So, dito sa daily time frame, kita naman natin na ang momentum ay very bullish. O, kita nyo naman tong very impulsive move niya to the upside. So, syempre, pag ganito, medyo mahirap na siyang habulin because anytime, pwede nang mag-retrace ang price. Okay? And if we check nga itong na-create na candle yesterday, no, bearish engulfing din to. So, therefore, level na to ay nag-act din as resistance. So, same as gold, habang nag-hold itong resistance na to, the sellers may push the price lower. Okay? So, let's check the H4 time frame. Ay ranging din or sideways kasi meron ng 2 touches dito sa resistance and also more than 2 touches dito sa support. So, therefore, possible din na magpipingpong lang ang price in between these levels until proven otherwise. So, syempre, pag nakakakita tayo ng ganitong pattern, pwedeng magkaroon dito ng breakdown. Okay, so remember, meron pa din tayong level dito. Okay, or magkaroon ng breakout. Okay, and syempre, very important na sa retest tayo magbabuy or sell. Okay, so lastly, for GBP USD, so looking at the daily time frame, alright. Okay, so uptrend talaga siya, looking at the daily time frame. Pero nang habulin itong move na to, okay, kasi anytime ay pwede na siyang magkaroon ng pullback, okay? So, syempre dito magandang mag-abang ng entry natin. Ideally, we can also use the fib to measure the correction from this low to the high. Okay, so itong area na to ay 38.2% ng fib. Okay, so ito yung magiging first level ko. So, dito ako mag-iintay ng aking confirmation to buy. Okay, let's check the H4 time frame. So, ito yung magiging first level ko dito sa 38.2%. And, syempre, ito yung next ko, yung 50%. Okay, so, meron din tayong level dyan. Previous resistance din yan. Possible na mag-act as support. Okay, so sa dalawang level ako maghihintay ng confirmation before I enter my buy position. Alright? Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much and I hope marami ulit kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Bye-bye!